Hi guys! For today's video is maglilinis tayo ng motor. No to Valentine's, yes to cleaning. Alright? Alright, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating vlog, so, papaanda rin natin yung motor guys. So, eto na yon. Just wait a minute. Let's open the key first. So, as you can see, there is a neutral here. Alright, let's press the starter. Manda na po siya guys without using this. Kala ko magagamitan siya ng ganito. Hindi na. Let's go back. Alright, umanda na yung sasakyan natin. Okay lang walang kadate basta merong sasakyan. Kahit saan ihatid ka. Hindi yung sa kadate mong iwan ka lang pag meron ng bag. So ayun na po guys. As you can see, umandar na po yung sasakyan natin. So, ayan. Malinis na yung sasakyan natin guys. So, that's all for today's vlog. Goodbye!